Yokogawa developed explosion-proof TDL S8200 spectrometer. Japan's Yokogawa Electric Corporation has developed an explosion-proof version of the TDL S8200 probe-type turnable diode laser spectrometer and will release it for sale on July 25th as a part of its Operation X analyzer family. The TDLS 8200 features low installation cost, high measurement stability, and high reliability, and is able to simultaneously and directly measure concentrations of two gases types, oxygen plus either carbon monoxide or methane, at high speed. Currently on offers are type of that are capable of measuring temperature up to 600 and 850 degrees Celsius. And the addition of an explosion-proof version make it possible to facilitate efficient combustion control and the safe operation across the broader range of applications. The applications areas are oil and gas, petrochemical, electric power, iron and steel, and ceramic plants need to monitor the concentration of oxygen and carbon monoxide or methane inside the furnace in order to control and thereby ensure an efficient, environmental friendly, and safe combustion process. However, the use of digital devices in zones where combustion gases reach concentration that result in the risk of an explosion is limited by regional laws and regulations as they have potential to ignite such gases.
Saudi Arabian-based chemical manufacturer SABIC has said its recently launched blockchain pilot is expected to uncover the possibility of the technology in supporting end-to-end digital traceability of circular feedback in customer products. The benefit expected to occur from the using blockchain include reduced cost and time as well as improved data integration. End-to-end digital traceability. A Saudi Arabian chemical manufacturer, Saudi Basic Industries Corporation, recently said it had launched a blockchain pilot project in conjugation with the technology firm Finbot. According to the chemical producer, the objective of the pilot is to investigate the possibility of blockchain technology in supporting end-to-end digital traceability of circular feedback, that is raw material, in customer product. In a press statement, SABIC said the current process of tracing the journey of feedstock is made difficult by the complex petrochemical value chain. Therefore, through the pilot, SABIC, which is 70% owned by Saudi Arabian oil giant Aramco, plan to trace the product from feedstock production to the converter, going further than previous industry applications of blockchain in end-to-end tracing. According to the press statement, Finbot Marco software will be used as a middleware layer that traces the product from Plastic Energy, where it's produced, to its delivery to SABIC for conversion into its TrueCircle circular polymers. The delivery of circular polymers to IndraPlus for conversion into the packaging solution will also be traced. Throughout the process, the technology will ensure the immutability of this collected data that must be distributed to suppliers, customers, and regulators.
Crown offers rapid spare services for pipeline emergencies. Crown Group, a leading provider of process instrumentation, measurement solutions, and services, has unveiled a new services aimed at ensuring its leak detection system. Customers have vital repair spares on hand when they need them. Global supply chain shortages have the possibility to impact mission-critical pipeline infrastructure repairs, and Crown, with access to a large stock of vital system components, has realized they have the capability to provide solutions to ease customers' fears. The new customer support services reduce downtime of vital pipeline management solution. Rapid spares. To support customers with a fast replacement for failed items, Crown offers a rapid spare services that provide access to pre-defined spare parts for pipeline management solutions. These even include spares that need to be pre-configured to match the failed items. Example, server components. Rapid spares are stored in Crown facility for delivery to site on next business days.